Bamboo GTR. Bamboo GTR is a brand new type of all-terrain skateboard that could take you virtually anywhere you want to go. This board is completely electric and can be used by anyone. It can travel at speeds of up to 24 miles per hour and is designed to be used on rough terrain or paved streets. For those of us who live in the city limits, this board would be an excellent means of transportation. It can travel up to 19 miles on a single charge. It is able to tackle hills of up to 22 degrees for any outdoor adventure. This is a must-have. Its removable battery also means that you will never be stuck. No matter where you go, you can change out the gearing and a tire size to suit your needs by removing the drive assembly and popping on new wheels in a matter of seconds. This allows you to switch from snow to sand to mountain climbing with ease, never leaving you stranded with a price tag of $1699. These boards aren't affordable for everyone, however, they are in a breed of their own and are currently available for pre-order. HoloRide. HoloRide is an experience that is completely unbelievable. Though this product is very real and can be purchased by nearly anyone, this is a VR headset that can be worn inside of a vehicle. If you are a passenger, the headset changes the world around you into a vivid landscape of otherworldly proportions. There are various ways to use the helmet, but the most popular is to turn the world around you into a giant video game that responds to the way your vehicle moves. This is the perfect VR helmet for children on long car rides. HoloRide offers one of the most immersive VR experiences on the market and adds a thrill to every car ride. In addition to entertaining your children, this mask also claims to reduce nausea and fatigue that can be brought on by long rides. If you have a child or passenger that is prone to getting motion sickness, this VR helmet may help their condition be more manageable or eliminate the nausea or fatigue entirely. Pricing for these units is currently unknown, but HoloRide hopes tether VR headsets available for purchase very soon, and we can't wait. Luna. Luna is a new type of futuristic speaker that is available now on Kickstarter, though aren't sure if this device is currently shipping to backers. This is a wireless speaker that offers unsurpassed audio quality. The eye of the unit tracks into itself when the speakers then pops out when it is on, protecting it from any potential damage. These speakers can be linked together in groups of up to 32 speakers using the simple built-in Bluetooth technology, meaning you can place several speakers in each room of your house for an incredible listening experience. They are currently priced at $129. Parrot Bebop 2. Parrot Bebop 2 is a brand new type of drone that is the latest in Bebop's lineup. This is one of the most advanced quadcopters that can be purchased by consumers, making it incredibly desirable by film enthusiasts and drone hobbyists. This new drone offers two batteries that allow for a total flight time of around 1 hour. There is also a brand new flight assistance system that is built in so that flying is easier than ever. One of the biggest challenges of flying a drone is the learning curve that you must overcome in order to fly one correctly. Though the Parrot Bebop 2 is easy to use even by first-timers, to get started, just remove the drone from the packaging and insert one of the included batteries. The remote control should automatically pair to the drone's hardware, so you have to do nothing more than simply turn it on. You can then adjust the VR headset to fit your head shape and get ready to take off. The controller also offers support for an iPad or iPhone so that you can see what your drone camera sees no matter how far away may be. This makes this drone perfect for photographers and enthusiasts who need to capture a captivating landscape, photos or videos. Pricing is currently unavailable for these drones, but more info can be found on the Parrot website.